Best Crypto Presales with Potential 100x Gains, Web3 Bay, Wall Street Pepe, and other top contenders for 2025. Crypto presales have become a hotspot for investors seeking groundbreaking opportunities and extraordinary returns. Among these, the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains showcase innovation and address real-world challenges. Projects like Web3 Bay, with its decentralized e-commerce platform, are paving the way for a more secure and user-driven digital economy. Here's a closer look at the top contenders in this exciting space. 1. Web3 Bay, 3 Bay redefining e-commerce. Web3 Bay combines blockchain technology, smart contracts, and IPFS to establish a secure decentralized marketplace. By eliminating intermediaries, it reduces costs and enhances data security. Smart contracts autonomously execute transactions with transparency, while IPFS ensures decentralized storage to prevent breaches. These features make Web3 Bay one of the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. Web3 Bay empowers its users through token-weighted voting, promoting democratic decision-making. Transitioning into a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, it enables token holders to influence platform evolution, fostering trust and long-term engagement. This approach further elevates its position among the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. Web3 Bay addresses high fees, data breaches, and transparency issues in traditional platforms. Removing intermediaries and leveraging blockchain ensure efficient, secure, and transparent transactions. These advancements position Web3 Bay as a top choice for those seeking the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. With its presale in its third stage, Web3 Bay tokens are currently priced at $0.0039675. Analysts predict substantial growth, with a projected launch price of $0.1959, making it a compelling option for investors seeking high returns. 2. Wall Street Pepe, $WP empowering retail investors. Wall Street Pepe combines the humor of meme culture with serious utility, providing retail investors with tools traditionally reserved for institutional players. Through its presale, which has raised over $40 million, WP aims to democratize access to trading signals and market insights. The project's commitment to empowering individual investors makes it a standout in the meme token category, blending entertainment with real-world value. It's no surprise that it ranks among the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. 3. Flockers, $Flock, a decentralized social media revolution. Flockers is redefining social media by prioritizing data privacy and user rewards. Built on blockchain, the platform allows users to customize their profiles with NFTs and trade digital assets in its marketplace. With its presale nearing completion, having raised over $8.9 million, Flockers has captured significant attention from those interested in decentralized alternatives to traditional social media. It's another example of the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. 4. Best Wallet Token, $BST flexibility and user control. Best Wallet offers a non-custodial solution that supports multiple blockchain networks, providing users with unparalleled flexibility and control. Token holders benefit from reduced transaction fees and early access to exclusive presales. Having raised over $7 million, the $BST presale highlights the growing demand for secure, user-centric wallet solutions. Its strong market appeal places it among the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. 5. Solexi, $Solex addressing scalability on Solana. As Solana's first Layer 2 solution, Solexi aims to solve network congestion and scalability challenges. By enabling faster and more cost-effective transactions, Solexi enhances the overall usability of the Solana ecosystem. With tokens priced at $0.001576 during the ongoing presale, Solex presents a promising opportunity for those seeking exposure to the Solana network. Its innovative approach cements its position among the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. 6. Metascape, bridging real estate, NFTs, and gaming. Metascape combines virtual real estate, NFTs, and gaming into a cohesive metaverse platform. Users can trade digital properties, customize virtual spaces, and earn rewards through play-to-earn games. By uniting these elements, Metascape creates a rich ecosystem for exploration and profit. The project's presale is gaining traction among investors interested in the metaverse sector, securing its spot as one of the best crypto presales with potential 100x gains. Why invest in presales? Crypto presales allow investors to access tokens at discounted prices, offering significant upside potential. Projects like Web3 Bay, Wall Street Pepe, and Flockers exemplify the diverse range of opportunities available, each addressing unique market needs. Web3 Bay stands out as a top contender, leveraging cutting-edge technology and community governance to redefine e-commerce. Its potential to solve long-standing industry challenges makes it an attractive option for forward-thinking investors. Meanwhile, the creativity and utility offered by Wall Street Pepe, Flockers, and other projects ensure that there's something for everyone in this exciting space.